Hey guys, it's James with Selman Home Inspections. This is just a safety item I found in this house I'm inspecting today that I wanted to share with you all, and it's a real quick, easy fix. But you know, everybody's got an oven and everybody's got a stove. So, you know, the ones that are freestanding like this, one thing I look at when I come to the house is I reach back here and I grab this. And if I can pull that stove forward, as you see there, it tells me that there's not an anti-tilt bracket. What an anti-tilt bracket does is it attaches to the back of the wall and then attaches to the back of the stove or the oven. And what happens is and this is probably the reason, you put something heavy like a Christmas turkey on top of that thing, or you got a small child, you know, playing around in the kitchen and they step on that door. What happens is that whole oven could fall over on top of them. So what we do is we just attach that bracket, and it just goes right back here on the wall into a stud. Not a big thing, but it's a safety item. It's really cheap and easy to do, and I'd recommend anybody that has an oven walk over, check it, make sure that yours isn't at risk of tipping over, because something that simple that can prevent somebody from getting hurt, you know, it's a no-brainer. Why not to do it? Follow our blog. We've got several tips like this, you know, and little repair videos and things like that that every homeowner can use to help maintain their house. Thank you.